Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a phone number in the Bird Rider Electric application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the two lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And at the account section, look for the phone number button and click on that. And here, just type in your phone number. And once you're ready, just click on the save button. And your phone number is saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.